the West Volusia Regional Chamber, because Sherry has made this happen this morning as well. So welcome.
The city is investing in illuminating 24 crosswalks throughout the city using lights embedded in street pavement. The city is in line to receive approximately $11 million from the Transportation Planning Organization, Deltona Community Center on Lake Monroe, as Central Florida's newest eco-village. The facility's location is the crossroads for several of the state's most popular bicycle trails. 2019 is the year that Deltona is positioning itself for a dynamic launch in 2020 with new major commercial development, a new hospital, expanded medical facilities, new housing developments, improved infrastructure and communications, and a new recognition of Deltona as an ecotourism destination.